quickly go through the box. This one's a bag because it's a local. If you're local, it's going to come in a bag. And if you're not local and I have to put it in the mail, it'll be in a box. But anyway, it's going to be the same things inside. So just going to quickly show you what we have and then we can get started. So this first thing you can pull out is your craft paper, and that is to make a placemat. So I already have one right here. And I'm going to use mine. So I'm recycling mine. And then I'm just going to dump this out so you can see everything that's in here. And we talk about them so you know what we've got and what's coming up. So this is a reusable stencil faces for each side. So you have the snowman side, which is right here, and the scarecrow, which is right here. And these peel off really easily. And if you would like to save them, you just put them back on this brown paper when you're finished. Even though they have paint on them, you can use them again. So those are reusable. This is actually your pallet piece. So it's got the two-sided hat brim, and that's what we'll be painting. You're going to have a paintbrush, a water cup. We'll have several paint colors because we have a few different colors we need for this project. So we've got the white, the black, the gold, the brown, and then in the smaller containers I have a yellow and an orange. And then this one is glue, so make sure you don't accidentally use that for the white. So in the little squeeze tube is glue. The white paint is in one of these, okay? All right, so I told you have your sponges. There's 3 sponges here, and you're just gonna pull them apart when you're ready. A paper towel, we're gonna need that to wipe off our paintbrush and any other little things we might need to wipe up. This is for the rag bow that's on the Scarecrow's hat. See that, how he has a rag bow? We're gonna make that in part of our project. This color wheel is in case you want to do any color mixing. So it's not necessarily the colors that we have today, but it's something that you can hang on to if you want to. It just shows you that if you add, it's a reminder, if you add yellow and red together, you get orange and so on. And so it's just a little reminder. On the back of that has the QR codes for a couple of things. One is my Facebook page. So if you would like to post a picture of your project on my page for me to see, I would love that. The next one down is, let's see what it is. That's the wait list for the Kids Art Club. If you're not in the Kids Art Club yet, it's going to start in January, and we have so you would get a project like this every month, and then extra stuff in addition to this. You would get some stickers and little surprises and 1 or 2 small projects. So it's a nice, fun box that comes to you every month if you're part of the kids membership. And then the last one is my group page. So same thing. If you want to put some pictures, you can put your pictures. In the box also is a paper that says what's in the box. So if you think for some reason that something might be missing, or you just want to double check, or you want to remember what was in the box before, there's a list of it all here. And you probably already found this because that has the code to this video and all the rest of the videos that go along with it. So that's that. There's a little piece of bubble wrap in there. Don't think this is trash. It's part of our project today. Paper plate, we're going to use that for our paint palette. So we're going to put the paint on here instead of, I don't know, instead of using it straight out of the container. And let's see, paper towel, I think that's everything. And we've got the flower for the Scarecrow's hat. So everybody has a different flower. So yours might not look like that, but that's okay. They're all going to be super cute on the snowman's hat. And this piece of twine that is not in the bag with the rag bow stuff is a little bit longer, and that's because it's for hanging up. It's for hanging up the Scarecrow when we're finished. All right, so that's all we have for today. Let's make a little bit of room for yourself, and let's get started.